Hi and welcome to the short tutorials. In this video I will show you how to update Discord on the Android. So if you are using the old version of the Discord mobile, so you have to update it because maybe you won't enjoy the latest feature of the Discord mobile. So how you can basically update your Discord, so watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. So to update your Discord mobile application, first of all you have to open your Play Store. Once you will open your Play Store, you have to search for the Discord here. Once you will search for it, you will see Discord is here. So you will see a update button here. So right now my Discord is up to dated, so it's not showing me update button. But if your Discord is not up to dated, you will get a update button. You have to click on that button and your update will be installed in your device and enjoy the latest version of the Discord. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.